If you want to save a Telegram chat as a PDF, the easiest way is to first export the chat from Telegram desktop, then convert that export into a PDF file on your computer. This is a great method if you want to keep an important conversation, save records for work, or store a chat in a format that is easy to print, share, or archive. If this tutorial helps, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Now let's jump into it. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the same account that contains the chat you want to save. Once Telegram opens, go to the specific chat that you want to export. This could be a private conversation, a group chat, or even a channel, depending on what you need to keep. In the top right corner of the chat window, click the three dots menu icon. This opens the chat options. From the menu, select Export Chat History. Telegram will now open an export settings window where you can choose exactly how you want the chat saved. In the export pop-up, select HTML as the export format. This is important because HTML will let you open the chat in your browser and then print it as a PDF. Next, choose the folder on your PC where you want the exported files to be saved. It's a good idea to pick a location that is easy to remember, like your Downloads folder or desktop, so you can find it quickly in the next step. Once you've selected the format and save location, click Export. Telegram will begin creating the chat export files. Depending on how large the chat is, this may take a few moments. When it finishes, go to the folder where you saved the export. Inside that folder, look for the messages.html file. This is the file that contains your chat history in a readable web page format. Double-click the file to open it. It should launch in your default browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once the chat is open in the browser, you'll be able to see the conversation just like a web page. Now it's time to convert that chat into a PDF. Press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the print dialog. If you prefer, you can also right-click anywhere on the page and choose Print from the menu. In the Print Settings window, look for the Destination or Printer drop-down menu. From there, select Save as PDF. After selecting Save as PDF, review the print preview if needed, then click Save. Choose the final folder where you want the PDF version of your Telegram chat to be stored and give it a file name if prompted. Once you confirm, your browser will create the PDF version of the chat and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've now successfully saved a Telegram chat as a PDF using Telegram Desktop and your browser's built-in print feature. This method is simple, free, and works well whenever you want to archive messages or keep a conversation for later. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.